Mama just introduced herself. In the attributes, click it down right there.
Why your eyes become red? So red. Huh?
Kara has red eyes right now. I can show
What
you.
happened to you?
Wait. Okay, I don't even know how to turn this
Actually,
up.
you get nervous with the
Anyway.
wash my eyes.
We are in Costa getting snacks. Yes. Mama just, what the heck? Dada? Look at me.
It's dirty, Bella. It's wet there. Just they ask them to wipe.
Anyways, as I was saying, let me show you a view. So this is the view of this. Okay, you got.
Here. What? It's on.
Oh, Sita, why don't you?
I don't know how to do this.
Wait, I got it.
Nice?
Yeah.
You have to mix it.
Alright.
Nice?
Yes, delicious.
Hi, sir.
Cheers, guys.
Hello guys, we're in, I think we're in Costa. Anyways, we got some snacks. I'm gonna get one. So I got this one. So you can see properly because I'm a very bad fumer. So this is the one I'm mixing it a bit. Oh gosh. Here you can see I'm mixing it. Now I think I'm gonna have it. Nice but very good. Next, Mama's gonna try this. I'm gonna try
Bitter.
I didn't even have a sip. I only did very small sips. Anyways, as you can see, this is the beautiful view. Oh. Sorry that you can't see it. Yeah, I think you can see it. This is the view. This is the view. This is the view, guys. So stay tuned. You might want to see this next one. Here, this is good. This wait. I'm a very bad. Let's see if you can see. Yes, this one. Mama has already been bite of it. This is what's my favorite out of all of these? All of these, which Mama is drinking right now. Even all of these that I showed you. My favorite one is this. I can even get brain freeze by this.
You like it?
Great. And as you all know, I got 2 teeth out. And also I got a jaw problem, so you can't see, and it's hurting at you. Remember that? And also, another thing shaking. Hey, this one, this is secret. I don't know. Here, guys. can you do like this and not like that? So this is definitely shaking. This is definitely shaking. Yep, definitely shaking. And as you know, stay tuned. Stay. If you're leaving, still stay tuned. Hit like button. It's not the end button. Hit like button. Subscribe. Comment down below how I two previous video. Right down here and right up here. You'll see those previous videos. If you just hit the like button. So, I'll be back to you. Anyways, as I was saying, we are gonna have a best day ever! As you can know, this is already 9. We went so many trips. This is the last one, and then we're gonna go home. And also, I have Roblox! And I'm gonna make it easy, and I'm 37. Let's go! Anyways, as I was saying, here, mister, I'll show you the back of my hair. I don't know if you can see much, but see this ponytail? I don't think that you can see, but I think you can see it. I think you can see this one. I don't know if you could just see it, but it's fine. I hope you can see this. Let me just turn this around. Oh wait, this is perfect. Anyway, as I was saying, let's jump. Jump. Ah! This beautiful nature of plant. I don't think this is real. Look at this. This is kind of just. Yep. Why not? Should we go out or should we go more? Ooh, spooky! Sorry for that. And if it's copyright, let me know in the comments. So, see you guys next time in our video. Bye! Bye. And also, comment, subscribe, notifications on, share, like, and if you're not like and you did all those things, the thumbs up will be green or blue, whatever color you like. It will turn into that, I think, because I'm not the magic about this. Anyways, stay tuned. See you guys next time.